So this is our cabin, room 6604. It's a large balcony cabin on the Adventure of the Seas. And so as we come in, obviously they've done the typical usual good job of setting things up. In our case, we left a water bottle here because this is the second time in the room. I just wanted to give everybody a good look at it. Like I said, it is an accessible balcony cabin. Take a look at get an idea of the size of it. So it has a couch, a chair, the usual accompaniments. The bathroom is a nice size handicapped bathroom. And one of the things for my wife, she's very tall, and so the toilet is raised enough that it's comfortable for her. Usually we have to get a riser. Again, nice roll-in shower. You can see down on the floor, you can see the roll-in shower with the drains to keep the water in there. They have grab rails on two sides, and then also we have the pull-down grab rail on the other side so that you have plenty of support if you need help getting on and off the toilet. There is a phone right here, so that makes it work really well in case something happens while you're in the restroom. Take a look in the cabinets. If I open the right side, it'd help. So, nice spacious cabinet there for your toiletries. Comes with a full complement of amenities in the cabin, plus the hair and body wash in the shower as well. Take a look at the closet space. So we do pretty good here. We have we have 4 shelves, so you've got some pretty good space there. You have 5 shelves, actually 6 shelves in the closet for storage. Plus we have the typical pull down clothes rod. Our room did come with 2 bathrobes, which is very nice. Nice collection of hangers, so you've got skirt hangers, pant hangers, everything you need there. Queen size bed. The one thing I will notice about this room that is kind of a negative is there's 2 outlets here, and at least so far I haven't found any other outlets for power, which makes it a challenge when you have multiple devices. Now I did bring a multi-port extension cord and a multi-USB charger to help with that. As I said, it is a balcony cabin, a nice size balcony. And the nice thing too is that it's got ramps both ways. And there's plenty of room to bring a scooter or a wheelchair out to the balcony. Now you've got a table there, so if you wanted to sit and have some breakfast brought to your room, would be very nice. And like I said, plenty of room to put a wheelchair or a scooter out here. Just take a quick look here at the harbor. You can see Atlantis across in the distance there. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you'll want to hit the subscribe and notify. That way you'll know when I put out my next video. And if you hit the like button, it lets YouTube know that the content was worthwhile, and they'll share it with other people. Thanks. We'll see you in the next video.